How to change YouTube TV payment method. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your YouTube TV payment method. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the preferred browser and search for tv.youtube.com, and you will be landed to the official website of YouTube TV, and from there just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your YouTube TV account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of your screen, and from there you will be able to see bunch of different options. So in order to change your payment method, just simply go to the settings option, just simply click on it, and over here on the left hand side of the menu you won't see any option which says payment method or anything like that. So the simple way and the easiest way to change your payment method is to buy a membership for yourself, and just simply click on add, select the membership that you would want to buy, and over here just simply click on next and go to the checkout page, click on next again. And over here, in order to make the payment, you have two different payment method options available. So in the first one you can choose your credit or debit card, and if you don't have credit or debit card with you, you can go for the PayPal section or the PayPal payment method. So this is the only way through which you can manipulate the payment method in the YouTube TV account. So just choose the one that you would want to use. You can use your credit or debit card, or you can also use your payment method as PayPal. So just choose accordingly and make the payment. And so yeah, this is basically how you will be able to change your YouTube TV payment method. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.